y'all, it's Lananh here, and today we are packing because I finally got approved for my first apartment, and that means that I am officially moving to California. So yeah, this is like a really new chapter in my life, and I'm like so excited but also really scared because I'm literally leaving like everything behind. Like I'm only gonna like pack my clothes for real, and then like one chair, like this white chair, you know what I'm saying? But like thought that I would just like record the process and everything. So yeah, so I just wanted to take y'all along and like just hopefully this is interesting. I don't know. So like I mentioned, like I'm not gonna bring a lot of stuff. It's really only like my clothes. So I felt like I can just fit all of my clothes in my suitcases, so we'll see how that turns out. But if anything, I'll just buy some boxes if I need it, which I feel like I might, just for like my other necessities. So yeah, so this is what I have to work with. It's not too bad. I literally, as you can see from all those hangers, like I sold a lot of my clothes already. I sold like half of my closet. This literally has nothing except like my gown. So I think I'm just gonna do like my sweaters and like outerwear first, because like I know for sure I'm not gonna touch these for a while. So let's just take those down. Okay, I know I'm not gonna need this in LA, but like look how cute this is. Like I really wanted to wear this, but I just never did. But you already know I'm still gonna bring it. Like they're so thick that I feel like they're gonna like take up the whole suitcase. I've lived in Mobile, Alabama like literally my whole entire life. Like I mean I wasn't born here, but I've lived here since I was like 1 basically. So I didn't know what I wanted to do, or like I always felt like I just didn't want to stay here, or that I didn't belong here. Living in the South is like really hard, especially because I'm Vietnamese. I really don't have family here except my mom and dad and my brother. It's just been really tough for the past couple of years, and I really didn't know what I wanted to do like career-wise or like for my life. After traveling all last summer and stuff, I was like, I like this, I want to move, I want like new change of life. So I have family in California, and for a while I was just like, well, I can just move to Sacramento and then see what I should do there, you know. And then like the more I thought about it, I'm just like, well, if I'm already moving to California, like I might as well just move to LA, you know what I'm saying? I've just been California dreaming a lot, I guess. Like if y'all see my other videos, then you know what I'm talking about. Like I just recently graduated, but a degree is something I was not really passionate about anymore, or like after my internship I just knew it wasn't for me. So it's like scary because I still don't know what I want to do with my life, but I'm just like excited to just go for it, you know. And then like this whole COVID quarantine has like stopped me from doing that in a way, and I know it's like for safety measures and stuff like that. And so I've just been holding off this move for a while, and I just feel like the time is like right, it's like good now, and I just used the time to like look for roommates and like apartment hunting, and, like just trying to find a place to live down there. And it's been really hard because I can't tour and all that stuff, but like I really wanted to go to Europe for my graduation trip, and you know obviously that couldn't happen. And now looking back on it, I'm just like, everything literally happens for a reason. Like I don't know what I was thinking, but like I knew if I did this Europe trip I would not have enough money to move out to California. And you know, with unemployment I like got some money from that too, and my bank has been looking pretty good. I wanted a nice apartment. Like this is my first apartment. I don't want no ghetto apartment. Like I want a luxury high-rise apartment. It was hard because your girl barely worked. Like I was more focused on graduating and school and not really like on work. I found some really nice roommate. It all worked out, and like finally the time has come. I tie-dyed this, if y'all didn't know. If y'all have not followed me on Instagram, then you should, because then you'll know that I tie-dyed this sweater, which I know no one cares about, but Alright, so this is what the suitcase currently looks like with all of my bulky sweaters and then that one giant teddy coat. But I know I have like some more long sleeves and all that stuff, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that over there as well. I'm like excited because like the apartment that we got, it has like a walk-in closet and I'm like, ooh. Alright, so that's one suitcase down. Oh, okay. I still have a lot more clothes to go, but I definitely underestimated how much clothes I have. We applied for this apartment like a while ago, and on August 14th we finally got approved on our apartment, and so my official move-in date is the 21st. And it finally got approved, so now I'm finally, that's why I'm like finally like starting to pack for real. Alright, so now we're gonna start on this whole mess right here. Oh wait, I forgot to tell y'all, so I'm gonna be road tripping all the way to LA, and I'm not really prepared for it, but I know everything will be fine, you know? It's like, I haven't picked out like the outfits that I wanted to wear on my road trip, but I'm probably just gonna wear like a baggy t-shirt or a dress. Like, this is just like where all my shorts and t-shirts go, and then this is like my bras and my bodysuits slash tank tops and stuff, and then, you know, my socks and undies are up there. Alright, so let's just start with this drawer first. I low-key could just dump it all in here, but I might just re-roll it because some of them are like not even rolled anymore. Alright, so now I'm gonna start on this one. And this one is where all my t-shirts are. And I've just gotten so much t-shirts that like it goes to like those over there too. Hopefully I can like convince myself to like get rid of some more t-shirts because that would be great. I really am trying to like invest in like better clothes. Might want to wear this shirt. Oh, this is my South Alabama jersey. Like, I know I'll probably not wear this, but should I bring it anyways? Nah, I think I'm gonna just keep this here. This suitcase looks so nice and organized. I fit so much of my clothes in this suitcase. Like, it looks so good, y'all. Like, look how nice this looks. And then my shorts and skirts over here. Like, I'm literally almost done. I don't know if y'all can tell by the lighting, but like it's really gloomy outside and it's like so disgusting. It's like hurricane season, so like it rains so much in Mobile. Like, I swear we're like the rainiest city or something, but I'm ready to not have to deal with rain for a while. My best friend was actually supposed to road trip with me, but then, you know, pandemic happened and like obviously she can't go now. Like, I don't expect her to go. Like, I was looking forward to road tripping with her for sure. Now I have to like do it all on my own, and like I know I'm capable of doing that all on my own. It's just, it's nice to just have people, you know? Like, I'm finally done with school. I don't have to worry about studying and all that. Like, I'm literally done. I'm literally an adult now, and it's like I can literally do whatever I want. Alright, so my second suitcase of clothes is done. and I have like half of my closet still left, and then I have like other junk and stuff, so it looks like I'm gonna have to get some boxes. Alright, so yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and quickly do my underwears and my bras and stuff, and yeah, I'm not gonna show that because a lot of people think that's weird. We're just gonna do a quick snack break because I am tired and I am hungry, so yeah. I'm planning to leave Wednesday morning. These past couple months has been going by so fast. Like, I thought I had so much time to pack and and I just kept holding it off until I knew for sure what day I'm like moving and stuff. But now I literally am like scrambling because I want to like have time to like hang out with my friends and stuff before I leave. Alright, last suitcase done. Literally have no room up in this room. No room up in this room. Alright, so I think I'm done for this box. I might add like maybe 1 or 2 more things right here. Hey y'all, it's the next morning and that means another day of just packing. I'm like really tired, but this morning I'm just gonna put some of my makeup stuff in the box, and then I'm also gonna put like my bath stuff and like other stuff that I didn't get to fit in other boxes. We're gonna go shopping for other things that my mom thinks I need. So I'm not sure if I want to bring these cube organizers yet, but I might just do it just so I have some storage before I buy new ones. I'm literally so scared of like these plates breaking, because like these were the plates I used whenever I went my first beach picnic thing. Chopsticks, because you know, Asian. Alright, so the kitchen stuff is pretty much done. Alright y'all, so I moved y'all to the laundry room because that's where all my shoes are. Put all my tennis shoes in here first. These are my work shoes. I know I low-key need to sell them, but I don't have time to sell it when I get there. Yeah, literally like all my shoes fit in this box, so I'm pretty happy. Alright y'all, so I'm basically done packing everything. I just have 1 more box left to pack, and that's gonna be like all the stuff that I'm still using. I haven't taped everything up yet because there's still some little rooms for something. Alright, so I think I'm just gonna end it here for my packing video. I hope y'all enjoyed watching me pack my life up. Like, I definitely actually packed this time because I remember whenever I was moving into my dorm, I literally had no boxes. Like, it was all just, I'm low-key kind of scared because I feel like not all the boxes are gonna fit in my car. But yeah, I'm so excited for this next journey. So if y'all want to just come along with me, then don't forget to subscribe. Like this video if you thought that me packing was interesting. Alright, bye y'all.